Hi guys, it's your girl Cheche Stitches here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn with me on how to make Ankara laptop bag. So guys, if this sounds like something you would enjoy watching, let's get straight into the video. You first of all cut out the front and back of the laptop bag, and I'm working with Ankara, so I added a gum stain so that it will be stiff. The width I'm working with for this laptop bag is 17.5 inches, while the length is 14 inches. So guys, I'm going to be making a touch of leather in this particular laptop bag so that it will look more mature and beautiful. For me to mark out where I'll be attaching the leather, I'm going to come in by 4.5 inches on both sides. Along the line that I'm going to mark, I'm going to place the leather and stitch it. I'll do the same thing to the other side. Once I'm done with the stitching, this is how it looks like. So guys, the next thing now is that I'm going to be attaching another leather to it at the down part. But this one will be a little bit different because I'm going to be forming a curve so that it will also keep adding to the beauty of this laptop bag. So guys, as you can see, it looks more beautiful. The next thing now is that I'm going to come down by 2 inches on both sides. This is to differentiate the down parts and upper part of our bag. From the 2 inches, I'm going to start to measure the down part of the bag. I'm going to measure till the other 2 inches. Then I'm going to know what I got, which is 38 inches. From the same 2 inches, I'm going to measure it around to the other 2 inches to get the upper part, which is 19 inches. I'm going to go now and cut out the side and base of this down part, and for this upper part, I'll cut out where I'll attach my zip. This will be the side and base for the down part of this laptop bag, and the length will be the length we measured, which is 38 inches, and the width I cut out for it is 3 inches. The same thing applies to the upper part of this laptop bag. We got 19 inches for the length, and the width I'm working with is 3 inches. But I had to divide it into two because we are going to be adding our zipper in between the divided parts. I'm going to go now and stitch my zip to the fabric, and I'll use my lining to make it neat. This is how I'm going to go now and place it and then place my lining on top of it. I also do the same thing to the other part. And this is how it looks like. So this is for the upper part of this bag. Once I'm done with the upper part, I'm going to attach the down part of this bag to the upper part this way. You place it good face to good face to this side. Then I'm going to use my lining and place at the part of the zipper this way so that when you turn it, it will now look neat. And once I'm done, I'm going to go now and stitch on top of this part. You guys should watch carefully on how I'm going to join this second part. This part is a little bit complicated, especially the lining part. So I'm going to go now. First of all, I'm going to join it together this way. Then you use your lining and place at the side of the zipper the same way. And this is how it looks like. Right now, I'm going to turn this down part to meet the lining so that I'll be able to stitch the lining to the down part while as the two edges is now looking neat. So I'm going to place it this way and go and stitch the lining to the down part, and I'm also going to match this part, you understand? Then I'm going to cut off the excess allowance. So guys, this is how it looks like. The upper and the down part of our bag is ready. I cut out a lining for both the front and the back of this laptop bag. I'm going to place my lining this way and place one part this way and go and stitch it. The length I'm working with for the handle is 16 inches. I'll follow the leather direction to attach the handle this way. I'm going to add a plain Ankara that I've folded both the front and the back to be the same this way. To be able to differentiate where you can put your laptop or your book inside the bag. So guys, the next thing now is that I'm going to find the middle of this part. You find the middle for the upper and the down part and you mark on it. I'm also going to do the same thing to the side of this part. Once I'm done targeting the centers, I'm going to now place each center to the other center this way and use my pin and pin them round. At the same time, I stitch on it and I'm going to place the other part of the bag and do the same thing. So guys, this is how it looks like. I used my lining to cover up the rough edge of the bag. So guys, this is the final outcome of our laptop bag. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on what you think about the video and share my videos to people that it will be helpful to. Thank you all for the support and see you all in my next video. Bye.